Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 Wi-Fi not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all open a search and type a device manager. Open a device manager. After doing this step, expand a network adapter and select a wireless adapter. Right click, go to your update driver, click on search automatically from drivers, click on search for update driver on Windows Update, click on check for updates. Okay guys, after checking that, if any downloading and updates is required, then you can download and install into your PC. The second method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager, expand the network adapters, select a USB wireless LAN card, right click and click on uninstall device. After uninstalling your device, restart your computer and reinstall it. And after reinstalling that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. This third method is that in the search box type a CMD, open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that, type a command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After doing this step, type a netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After doing this step, now you can see data. Restart the computer to complete this action. After doing this step, type a exit and exit the command prompt. And after doing this step, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.